Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will suit your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving daily signals there. Yesterday, we lost one trade, but now as we enter in a long until now we're making money from it. Even you can benefit from those things. The link of our Telegram and our Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the daily candle it's finished here. It gives us another pin bar here in that place here. Let me zoom it to show it to you. As you see it here, look at that pin bar the market gave us today here. As we enter a long base on that candle down, but the market fall down till down here. And down here we got a weekly pivot. When it touched me personally, a buy from there. But for midterm, as we've been waiting a confirmation, then it came to us a head and shoulder. We're going to show it to you when we came there. But till now, that long as we enter, it's not for long term. It's only for short term. Here in the long term, there is nothing yet. As we tell it to you, we got that trend line here, that one like that. Till it's getting broke here. For us to enter long, if it doesn't, there is no entry. And that's all we got now here. A very clear wage here, as you see it, like that. Even that one, you need to be focused about it when it's going to get broke, like how we draw it last time here. In that place here, when it's getting broke here, we enter long. Now the same thing, as we were still waiting till the balls to come back. So I think picture is too clear here. Another thing very important we got here is those ones here. You remember us we buy from here 25%. So the people they buy with me here 25% from our capital. No need to buy again. Now as we waiting if it's going to touch here the 100 moving average, we are going to buy again. And it's look, there is big rejection here. They don't allow it to touch it again. So till now everything's still looking the same. There is nothing new here. We need to wait and more. And today Saturday and Sunday, as you know, market is going to stay flat till early hours of Sunday. That's why there is no trading as we got that long we enter in it in short term. But that one is going to hit the take profit as soon as possible. I think picture is too clear here. Another thing here, very important, is it that one here. I show it to you last Friday like today. We put that two levels here. Top one here of the options, here of the calls, and down here for the puts. And Bitcoin it stay exactly between that two levels here. So people they put in here and down here. They're making very nice money till now and they're collecting premium till now. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go in to see for that week where they are, that two levels. So let's go into the page where we're getting that two levels from. So let's go in there. Here we are, that's the page where us we're getting those levels from. So we started from here, in the money here. Then we're going to start as every week from the pots, where we're getting the pots, then the calls. So let's doing that together. As you see, we found the level here, the first level which is here, 28k. As you see, the pots here, 520 Bitcoin. And for the calls, we got only 0 here. So that's the first level, as you see, 28k. Now let's find for the calls. For the calls, guys, as you see, we found the level here at 31,500. Same things, the calls is 139 and the pots is 0 here. So we got two levels, 28k and 31,500. Now let's go into the chart to join the two levels together. So let's go in there. Here we are in the chart. We set the first level here, 31,500. That man is going to stay where it used to be last week. And down here, we said we got 28k like that. as you see it, guys. So those ones of the options, they thinking the Bitcoin couldn't break down here, or they got another plan. If the Bitcoin is going to touch here, then they are going to buy, because if you put in naked pots, if your strike it's being challenged, you need to buy that Bitcoin, and that's what them they doing here at 28k, and for the calls at 31k. That means even them they thinking the Bitcoin is going to spend another week here sideways. So that's the view of them. Also, we don't care about those things. Also, we follow price action, pure price action. What is telling us? So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. If you remember yesterday what I told you about that level here, I told you there is that 50 moving average and we couldn't break it. That bad news here. Now today the market it fall down till here and it finished. It gave us here that pin bar. Let me zoom it to show it to you to be clear, more clear to you. As you see it here, look at that pin bar the market gave us here. Very nice pin bar market gave us here. That's why also we enter long in smaller time frames. Another thing, those ones, let me show it to you. You remember those moving averages? May I show it to you before? I told you, look at them, how clear they are. We are going in a downtrend here, and that's what the market is showing to us till now. As you see it, also we're still in a downtrend. So those people they enter with me long, all when we touching here the 50 moving average, we're going to take a profit. Then after that, we're going to try to find another short, because that level down here is a very stronger level, and every time the Bitcoin is touched, then we see a correction happening, but that correction it will not go that much, just to here to the 50, and if we're doing something very great, we'll go to the 100. That's what also we're doing every day. So here in the 4 hours for swing trading, also we're still in a downtrend. I tell it to you before, I told you the downtrend is going to change all less if we came and we're breaking above here and we're breaking the 200 moving average. So till now also we're still in a downtrend. There is nothing change here, and down here that wage like that, as you see it, how many times it's been touched here and here. And I told you before, we got here a down channel like that, came and do it from here, from the 2 candles like that till here, as you see it, and in the top here we came, we do it here like that, as you see it. Also we got here a very clear down channel. We touch the top here. Now we staying sideways here. Maybe we're going to make another correction to that 50 moving average, because Saturday and Sunday the market is going to stay flat, and after that we're going to fall down to touch it here, and from here maybe we're going to find another entry long. I'm talking here about smaller time frames, not for swing traders. Swing trading till now we don't got any clear price action. We need to wait in more till the right time. Everything is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, very clear by your eye. It's preferred to stay here all along. It just came that once here, then after that it fell down very quickly here. Now we still have a downtrend here. Only thing now we got here, the divergence here. Even that one we need to be focused about it. If we are going to touch it here, then after that we're going to see another correction. But everything telling us the market is still in a downtrend. There is nothing. Why should we buy? I'm talking here just about swing trading. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, it's being here at the oversold area. It came out, but the price action we were still waiting now is that one here to get broken, to break for us that 200 moving average. If it doesn't, there is no entry long. So also we're still waiting what the market is going to tell us in coming days and coming hours. Till now also we're still waiting that break here. If it happened that break here, yes, I'm going to give you a signal to buy. That way I told you every time join us to Telegram or Discord, where we're giving free signals there. Even you can join us. The link is down in the description of that video. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't? Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us. You know the channel without you it can growing up. Yes, you and the other and the other and the other. Please support us. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes yesterday, that way our stop it's being hit. Me yesterday I told you we got here, that triangle like that and like that. You remember it yesterday? It's getting broke here, in that place here. Also we enter long and we put a stop loss down here. It hit it down here by that candle. That's a part of the game because market, even if it's breaking, there is no volume to break more higher and to break that level we got here. So till now the market is showing to us also we still flat market. No one want to buy. Only those ones they want to push the Bitcoin more down. It's them the controlling at this time. That's a bad news here. Also here in lower time frames we got here a head and shoulder. It's just breaking for us the neckline as we enter a long. Yeah, now as we still holding our long. Yeah, just here or something. Now here in 30 minutes you can make something like that, like a flag here as you see it. Very clear flag here. Even that one you focus on if it's going to break here or to break down here. That one apart. Another one you came to that peak. That one here and that one here and you connecting them by a line. And here in the top you can do it just from here, from those ones like that, and you got here a very clear triangle as you see it, or a symmetric triangle. The names doesn't matter, the most important to know how to trade them. The only thing here we got the 50 moving average and the 200 and the 100 over here in that place you need to be focused about. So I think picture is too clear guys here. We don't need to make the video too long. Let's see our indicator what it's saying and to explain to you why us we enter long. Us we enter long because our indicator, if you see in here, from that one here, from that peak here, that one and that one here, we got here a divergence, and even here we got here a divergence, and the market gave us here a head and shoulder. That's why us we enter a long, and us we still holding our long. Is going to hit the target for us today, tomorrow, after tomorrow. Us we don't care. Me, I'm talking here about the people they are with me. You, if you are just new, just follow our analysis here. If you don't want to join us in Telegram or Discord, if you want, it will not cost you that much. It's only $10 per month. Just go to Patreon, you pay it, you're going to get access to our Discord. And for Telegram, also we're going to do something about it in the future. Everything is too clear? So that's it for that video. And please guys, make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.